The W in WALLDO stands for wide. This is a wide shot.
This is a wide shot!
This is a wide shot.
This is a wide shot!
The A in WALLDO stands for angle shots. Angle shots can be taken very creatively. Now these are some examples of what angles. There's an angle.
Level low shots are taken from the floor to make your movies better.
Low shot.
Level low. Oh! Over another low shot. Hey guys, what is this?
Low shots, but they're just taken at a higher angle than level low shots.
This is a high shot. Shot and combination to connect a person to another person or a person to an object.
Depth is only part of the rule of thirds, making things look 3D.
This is a dip shot.
This is a depth shot.
Opposite shots are shots taken from different points. Two shots equals one opposite shot, and that's the last letter in WALLDO.
The classes I'm taking are like so easy, you won't believe it.
My classes are easy too. I'm passing all A pluses.
So I hope you guys got a clear understanding of what exactly WALLDO means. Wide, angle, level low, level high, depth and opposite, and I am out.